Okay, I'm experimenting with some solar panels. Still got my RV covered up. I got these two solar panels wired in over here. Comes along here. And I got my solar controllers wired up here in this box. So solar controller 1, solar controller 2, and my solar panels feed in the side of the box into these solar panels or solar controllers, down to those terminals, back inside the trailer to my battery bank. This is a DC to DC converter that takes a charge off of my truck if I want to charge the batteries through this DC to DC converter. Down here is a 3,000 watt inverter and a solar disconnect switch for the panels on the side. So that's what the box looks like from the front. And stepping over here, we'll go inside. And this is my dining area. In this dining area, under here, take this up and remove this. Remove this first. Then remove this. You can see my battery bank. And the battery bank consists of 4 100 amp hour batteries that are wired in parallel, 12 volts, 400 amps. I can take this out. I got a shunt here, some bus bars, inverter disconnect switch, other bus bar. This is my battery power feeding a 300 amp fuse through my disconnect switch. This is where the solar comes in here. My DC to DC comes in over here. I have my ground bus bars back here. And over on this side is my shunt that reads my battery voltage, how much power I'm charging it with. And as you can see, I'm charging it right now with about 5.74 amps. But I'm also discharging because I have all my lights on. And I got power in here. It's off of battery power right now. So I'm running battery power at the same time I'm charging from the solar panels. So the solar panels are giving me enough current to overcome the discharge. Over here, under this seat, if you come down here and pop this, this is my control center. And this is my switch that I switch between shore power and inverter power. Right now I'm on inverter power, which the light's red. If I'm on shore power, the light's green, and I have a shore power coming in the trailer on the side. Over here's my inverter. I turn my inverter on and off there. This is my DC to DC to the fuse panel. And this is another solar charge controller for my roof solar panels. So I bring my roof solar panels in here. That feeds across over here to the battery bank. And down in there is a charger that charges the batteries when I'm on shore power. So I don't have to use solar. I can also just use a regular charger. These are temperature thermometers I have in every compartment to tell me what the temperature is in the compartment. I have a remote fan here. Let's see, the girls have been in. Looks like my girls have been in here somewhere. This will turn a fan on down here, and it starts to cool the whole compartment. So I can use that fan if it does get too hot. Up here, back here now, I have a weather thermometer. Tells me the inside temperature of the trailer, the outside temperature outside the trailer, and these are my two boxes I just showed you that shows the temperature in the boxes. This is a thermostat for the trailer, the RV, and back here's my refrigerator and my bed. We don't have it fixed up yet. We're still working on all that. So, but that's basically it. Finally got finished with it. Seems to work fine.